Good morning, Hasna.
Good morning.
Yes, I actually been hosting Hasna for 2 nights, so today is the second night she's been with me. She's gonna be leaving today. She actually from Spain, and she traveled almost in all country in the world. So yeah, am I right?
That's not true, no.
I think you travel in all countries in the world. So Hasna, can you tell me the experience? How was it in this place?
Here in you, it was really nice. Yeah,
It was really nice.
I felt like I know Mike for like so long time.
Okay, Hasna, you are from Spain, and some of us are learning Spanish. Is there a way for you to count for us from 0 to 10, please?
Yes, okay.
Slowly.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10.
That was very nice from her to make this video for us. So we're going to say goodbye now. Please, thanks for watching. Take care.